Choosing the right electric motorcycle can be overwhelming with so many options out there, and making the wrong choice can lead to disappointment down the line. Today, we're comparing 5 outstanding electric motorcycles that stand out in performance, efficiency, and value. Stay tuned as we delve into their unique features, and you won't want to miss our top pick, which could redefine your riding experience for 2026. ESKUTE Electric Dirt Bike for Teens Adults. Mid-drive motor, 3500 W peak. Electric motorcycle. 48 V23 battery, 53-mile range, 38 mm. Hydraulic nitrogen dual shock absorbers is a fantastic option for both teens and adults looking for a powerful yet manageable dirt bike. With a peak motor output of 3500 W, this bike offers impressive acceleration and a top speed of 38 mph, making it perfect for off-road adventures. The 48 V23 battery provides a substantial range of about 53 miles, allowing for longer rides without frequent charging. Additionally, the hydraulic nitrogen dual shock absorbers ensure a smooth and comfortable ride over rough terrain. While the bike excels in performance, potential buyers should note that it may not suit those looking for a purely street-legal option, as it is designed primarily for dirt and off-road use. 200cc automatic motorcycle Venom X18R, black, RX6 Auto, Wasp. 200, fully automatic transmission, street-legal sport, bike, LED headlights. Digital speedometer, moto for adults. No gears, full auto is tailored for riders seeking a hassle-free commute. This fully automatic motorcycle boasts a robust 200cc engine, delivering a smooth experience without the complexities of manual gears. Ideal for city commuting, it features bright LED headlights for enhanced visibility and a digital speedometer that keeps you informed on your ride. The sleek design and lightweight frame make it easy to maneuver through traffic. However, while it's perfect for short trips and urban use, it may lack the power for those looking for high-speed performance on highways. eAhora 4000 W M8S Electric Motorcycle for Adults, 72V35 lithium battery presents an exciting choice for riders who want a combination of power and advanced technology. With a substantial 4000 W motor, it offers exhilarating acceleration and a top speed that rivals traditional motorcycles. The 72V35 lithium battery provides impressive longevity, ensuring that you can tackle longer journeys without the worry of running out of charge. This motorcycle is perfect for enthusiasts who want to enjoy both commuting and recreational riding. However, its performance-focused design may come with a heftier price tag compared to more entry-level models, making it a better fit for serious riders. Electric dirt bike for adults, 9000 W, peak motor, electric motorcycle, 72V40 battery, up to 60 mph off-road, electric bike, 19. Dirt tires, dual suspension, hydraulic brakes is a powerhouse for off-road enthusiasts. With a staggering peak power of 9000 Ws, this bike can reach speeds up to 60 mph, providing an adrenaline rush like no other. The 72V40 battery ensures that longer off-road adventures are not a problem, while the 19 Tininis dirt tires and dual suspension system make it adept at handling rough terrains with ease. Ideal for riders looking to push their limits, it does come with the caveat of being more suited for experienced riders due to its high performance and weight. MotoTec 1000W48V Electric Superbike. Black is the top contender for those seeking a stylish and robust electric motorcycle for everyday use. This superbike features a powerful 1000 yacht motor capable of reaching impressive speeds while maintaining a sleek and attractive design. It's perfect for urban commuting, blending performance with functionality. The 48V battery system provides a solid range, ensuring users can confidently travel longer distances without frequent recharges. It also boasts modern features like LED lighting and a comfortable seat for extended rides. While it excels in design and performance, some may find it less suited for advanced off-road capabilities, making it primarily a street-friendly option. Choosing the right electric motorcycle can transform your daily commute or weekend adventures. Each of these 5 models brings unique features to the table, catering to a variety of riding styles and preferences. Be sure to explore the links in the description for more details and make the best choice for your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more great content.